So hello students, in this video we will learn acceptability of a string by Turing machine using transition diagram. So first of all we have a definition. So it will remain same which we have studied earlier. A string is accepted by Turing machine if it starts from the initial state, that is Q naught, after the processing of entire string X final state reaches, right? So in a question a string will be given to you. Number two, a diagram, because we are talking about transition diagram. So in this case all the moves have been defined in the form of transition diagram. Next, you will be asked to obtain the sequence which will let you know about whether the string is accepted or not. So let's proceed toward first example. So here the statement says that above obtain the computation sequence of M. Here M is a transition diagram. For processing the input string, the string which is given to you is 0011. So this is a diagram which is given to you, right? So what you have to do, you will have to check that whether this string is accepted or not with the help of transition diagram. So according to the definition of transition diagram, we have the string alpha, beta, gamma, where alpha represents present symbol, beta represents new symbol, and gamma represents direction. So take any move. So here like this 00L. So here 0 means present symbol, this 0 means new symbol which will replace this 0, and this is the direction. That means you have to move left. So let's start with the string which is given to you. So first of all you need to add 1b at the beginning and 1b at the end, right? So what you will have to you will always start with q1. So you need to add 1b before the string and 1b after the string, and you will start with the initial state. So here the initial state is q1, right? So next what you need to check, you need to check that on the processing of 0 where q1 goes. So q1 on the processing of 0 it goes to q2. So you need to write this alpha beta gamma over here. So 0 comma x comma r, right? So here the current symbol is 0 and 0 will be replaced with x. So you need to write b x 0 1 1 b, and the direction is right. So what is right of x? That is this 0, and it is going from q1 to q2. So here you need to write second state, that is q2. Next, what you need to check? You need to check for q2 upon the processing of 0. So q2 upon the processing of 0 it goes to itself. The move is 0 comma 0 comma r. So it means 0 will be replaced with 0. So here you need to write b x 0. 0 will be remain as 0 because the new symbol is 0. The direction of motion is right. So right is 1 1 1 b. So your arrow, your read write head will move towards next one, and the state will remain same because q2 upon the processing of 0 it goes to q2 itself, right? So next you need to check q2 upon the processing of 1. So q2 upon the processing of 1 it goes to q3, and the move is 1 comma y comma l, right? So what you need to write? So q2 upon the processing of 1 it goes to q3. It means you get a new state, that is q3, but this time this 1 will be replaced with y. So let's write first of all bx0, because 1 will be replaced with the y. It means this 1 will be replaced with y1b, and the direction of motion is left. So your read write head will move towards this 0, and you will get the state q1 q2. Q2 move is 1 yl, so you get the state that is q3. I hope you get this point. Next, what you need to check? You need to check Q3 upon the processing of 0. So Q3 upon the processing of 0, it goes to Q4. The move is 0, 0, L. So B X here 0. This 0 will be replaced with this 0. That is 0 will remain same. That is 0 Y1B. Again you need to move towards left. So what is left of 0? That is X. So read right head will move towards this position and the state is Q4. Next, Q4 upon the processing of X. Q4 upon the processing of X, it goes to Q1 and the move is X, R. It means you need to move right. X will remain X because the new symbol is X. So here the move is B, X, 0, Y, 1, B, and read right head will move towards 0 because the direction is right, and now the state is Q1 because Q4 upon the processing of X, it goes to Q1. Next you need to check Q1 upon the processing of 0. So Q1 upon the processing of 0, it goes to 0 X R. It means 0 will be replaced with X. So you have B X. This 0 will be replaced with X. So here Q1 upon the processing of 0, it goes to 0xr. It means this 0 will be replaced with this x. That is why I have written B double x. Then we have y 1b. The direction is right. It means the cursor will point to this y. Now the state is Q2. Next, you need to check for Q2 upon the processing of y. Q2 upon the processing of y. Q2 upon So Q2 upon y. Q2 upon y. It goes to y, r. It means this y will be replaced with y. The direction is right and the state will remain same. Here Q2. Q2 upon the processing of y, it goes to Q2, a loop itself. So what you get? You get B, X, X, Y, 1, B. Right? The direction of motion is right. So your cursor read right head will move towards this point. That is, the state will remain same. That is Q2.